So who's this, Ewan? Hugo, yeah? And why is he in here? Because he's got a wee sore on the side of his face. So he's getting looked after. He's getting nursed back to health by Ewan.
And you know it's like the nurse sheet. Stamp's like the nurse sheet.
That's Stampy. Hi Stampy. And this is Samantha. She's got a broken leg. She's in getting fixed. Ewan's been helping them all get back to health. Hugo, he is 13 years old. Both of these girls are 5. Stompy eating her food. Oh, sorry Stompy. Samantha. Ewan's got some food in his hand. Put it down a wee bit lower, Ewan. She might go for it then. That's why we call her Stompy, because she stomps her feet.